Balthazar, 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 Balthazar.
One morning, fearful brigands, led by the terrible Carambole, fell upon Professor Balthazar's town. The city trembled at the terrifying noise. Fearless John, the mayor, gave orders to Theodore the policeman to restore the peace. Evidently, Theodore was unable to manage the dangerous bandits. Therefore, Fearless John dispatched the chief of police personally. Finally, the mayor himself went to take charge. To the great satisfaction of the brigands, Carambole proclaimed the capture of Professor Balthazar's town and promised his men new entertainment every day. A terrible time began for the citizens. Nobody was safe, neither in the streets nor in their homes. Exhausted citizens attempted to call for help from the neighboring city, but Carambole had slyly connected the telephones to the water supply system. They sat down to write letters. But all the letters ended up in the garbage. While Florian, the postmaster, was delivering rubbish. Professor Balthazar's town had surrendered unconditionally to the merciless brigands, whose impertinence grew from day to day. The only hope of the citizens was the famous inventor, Professor Balthazar. Only he was far away on one of his trips. But one day he was back. The bandits prepared a fiery welcome for him. Fortunately, he fell down through his own chimney. However, the brigands were already here. Professor Balthazar graciously showed them his famous inventing machine. However, Cannonball did not care too much for good manners. Professor Balthazar began to think how he could stop the brigands. He thought and thought and thought, and then he had it. First, he made a wonderful birthday cake. As soon as they saw it, the greedy brigands dashed over to the birthday party. And they had not forgotten to bring presents for Balthazar. As soon as they ate the first bite, a miracle happened. The brigands' ferocity began to melt away visibly. They became gentle, burst into tears, and remembered their misdeeds. Professor Balthazar's cake caused this change because it was filled with the syrup of human kindness. The brigands sank into the earth with shame and were never seen again. The only one who remained in the city was Cannonball. But he was now serving the citizens and doing favors for them. Very soon everybody liked him, and he was as tireless in doing favors as he used to be in committing misdeeds.